Hello, I'm here again. Now, I've had to play this again because it's so bloody ridiculous.
To fork out billions of pounds worth of negligence claims every year, but
there we go. Listen on here. Hold on, I'm going to bloody turn it up.
Then that's a win for me.
Excuse me.
You're now paying the £1.1 billion bill for NHS managers as well. Plus,
is it transphobic to say only women have a cervix? But is it transphobic, yes or no?
Oh my God, look at that Looney Tune. Looney Tune, left, liberal. Ask a simple question, yes or no. Is it this, is it that? You know, is your front door coloured green or blue or white? It's white in my case. Simple bloody question. Here we go.
Is it transphobic? Look,
I'm going to rewind that because it's so comical. And these are the folks who are running the country. She's running our finances. For God's sake.
Is it transphobic, yes or no?
Is it transphobic? Look.
Jesus Christ.
Reeves and 41 other Labour ministers have just claimed council tax on their
here we go. This one really wiles me up. Listen here. Now people might say to me, you're a silly man, James. You are talking tripe. And don't eat tripe because it's disgusting. I've never eaten it, but I wouldn't want to. I think it's cow's tongue. Goodness gracious me. Anyway, I'm digressing again. I think politicians should earn more money. Right? I'm not setting a figure. I don't know. More money. And I think they should say, if you are, I've said it before and I'll say it again. What is it? A 5-year term, whatever it is. You can earn, I'm going to say something silly here, and you can smack my bottom with a feather and beat me up with a bloody punch bag. I think they should earn, let's say, for argument's sake, £200,000. And that covers all expenses and all second home bloody God knows what's. Because don't you forget, if they need to go to London and they're from bloody wherever, Newcastle, they can travel down, pay for the train tickets. They don't have to train first class. They can travel like normal plebs, like us. So they can cover that over the £200,000. And then they can say, I will stay at the Premier Inn. Good luck for that. Christ almighty, I wouldn't stay there if you bloody paid me. But there you go. But you know what I mean. You could choose another one. I don't know who they are. But there you go. So you could do that and have 2 days there, 2 nights, and then off you go, pop back to Newcastle or wherever you're from. And now listen here.
Hey, I think this is an animal farm government.
Oh, look at them.
Plus,
I've got 30 seconds to tell you about great British
look at this
Energy,
twat.
our new publicly owned energy
God
company.
almighty, what an arsehole.
It's going to create good jobs, it's going to give us energy security, and it's going to tackle the climate crisis.
and it's going to bankrupt the country, Ed. It's going to bankrupt the country. Redhead Milliband there. Oh, I know.
Oh, my Lord, have mercy on our souls.
We know Rory, don't we? He
look at him.
Tory leader. Everyone thought he was a total weirdo. Then he said 100 grand on Kamala Harris winning the election. He lost, didn't he? He lost. And he spends his days now sitting on Alistair Carpet Bomb Baghdad Campbell's knee. And he's
God
just
almighty.
I think he's a genuine fascist. I think that he is somebody who loves the idea of being connected to stirring up a massive political movement.
Right, I've had enough of this twat. We don't do twats on my channel. He's a numpty. He's a numpty and he's a failed numpty. So that makes him a double numpty. Anyway, you know what I mean? And you've got, what's her face? Not Angela bloody Wayne. Who's the other bloody idiot? Who's Chancellor of the Exchequer? God, I can't remember her name. I can picture her face. Looks like somebody who's gone through a bloody funeral and had a shit kicked out of her. Claiming benefits for a second home off the bloody pensioners and off us taxpayers. What a carry-on. Hey, if only it was a carry-on film, it'd be funny. But it's not funny. Look at him. Look at that twat. How did he get into Tories? That's what's happened. He is like a bloody virus that's got into the Tories, and they're all the same now. They're all Liberal Democrats. They're not Tories. Sorry, I've got to go to the bloody lavatory. Bye-bye. Zodiac. Zion.